guys, we just stopped for some snacks and we're headed to the junkyard out in PA. It's 10:39. What year is this thing? You don't know? Oh, it's electric. 05. Yeah. We sold Nathan some tires and now we're gonna go. What's the towing capacity on that bad boy?
As much as it wants.
Whatever we can fit on the trailer.
It's never been stopped.
So if you guys build Toyotas or propane stuff, you can get stuff from the junkyard. Like there's a carburetor. This one's actually weird. It has a V6, which I've never seen before, but has a good hat on it, or mixer, whatever you want to call it. But you could literally get the parts from the junkyard, and some of these actually have decent orbital valves in them too. Neither of these have decent ones, but we're gonna keep on looking. Just thought I'd say that.
Full hybrid.
Orbital valve, orbital valve. I'm gonna grab one of these. Say that again.
100 years ago. That's how we did things.
Look how many levers are in this thing. Count the levers real quick.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
yeah, and then 2 pedals.
And then 2 pedals. Imagine the noise this thing made back in the day. Like, this thing is cool. It is really cool. I've got to adjust the light because, sorry, I accidentally reset the GoPro the other night. But there's all kinds of stuff here. There's vans and all kinds of stuff. Even back in the day, generators had style. Look at that. And there's cool stuff like this thing. There's all sorts of stuff here. Can't wait to explore some more. I don't know why the camera's freaking out in the sunlight. I should have put a filter on it. Sorry, I'll try to fix it after in post-production. But yeah, we are looking at a bunch of cool old stuff. Already scored 2 orbital valves, and we're gonna keep on going. Look at this planetary. Imagine putting this on a buggy. I just spotted this from afar. Look at this thing. International. Old camper. Cousin Eddie, your shitter's full. Actually, that's like Cousin Eddie. I've always thought about taking one of these Winnebagos. I saw somebody that did it and make a ramp truck on the back. These things are, front end's so ugly, but looks so cool. Another Lodestar. Another one, old military truck, B model Mac down over, not B model, sorry. That's international. But there's so much cool stuff here. This thing was inspected till 14 in Pennsylvania farm vehicle. So this thing wasn't off the road for very long.
gonna close forward.
Hey guys, what's up? We got an alternator which looks pretty new, and it's a Delphi, and 2 hubs which look brand new, an orbital, some sensors, and a mass airflow sensor. So we scored pretty well. So this is how we got it out last night. 05 complete axle. Wasn't planning on getting it at all, but I saw it and the price was too good to not buy it, so we picked up this and might use it in a future project, might flip it, not sure yet. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.